So here we are with the customer's Amstrad 900, which is in its original box, which has been sent in for service, and with the original microphone, which aren't, these are the weak link in the chain. I've said to Mr. Chippie, if it doesn't sound any good, say so, I'll swap it for a new microphone. Because I think they're a bit distorted and quiet. So this had got the ballast resistor linked out and was doing 3.5 watts. We replaced the ballast resistor and we then got 4 watts. Because what happens is, if you didn't see the previous video, you end up getting more power on the cheap meter, but it's not actually on 27 megs, it's elsewhere. Like aircraft band in this case. So hopefully Mr. Chippie's in the car. He's just loading some merchandise into the back seat right now. So we'll see whether he's here. Oh, and the other weak link in the chain is the squelch on these. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, I'm on the Amstrad 900.
Roger that. That motor sounds fine actually.
Excellent. I will do a comparison at the end of the video with a standard replacement mic.
Right, coming up to the end of the lane.
Got you at the end of the lane opposite the new bus stop.
Yep, I can see the new bus stop now.
Now notice, as he set off from here, he was 9 on the meter. As he's driven half a mile up the road, it's plus 30. And that's because the aerial is like a lighthouse and the buildings are shadowing the signal. So when he's in the driveway, which bear in mind is 200 yards from where this aerial is, it gives less than when he's half a mile up the road.
We're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads. I've just been explaining to the viewers, because when you set off from here it was 9 on the meter. It's fairy lights on this set. But now you're down the road a mile, it's plus 30, you see.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing the top hills, go down and in towards Wilson.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 for Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilson. Over.
Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing. I forgot to say when we went round Scratchy Corner, this radio is doing a full 4 watts. Did it sound like that over?
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
Excellent.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn. That's very good for there.
Roger that. Tango 21 for Mr. Chippie. Now they have Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, that's great. Got you at Rossby level crossing. That concludes the test. Thank you.
Roger that.
10-10. Okay, that works fine. And he says it might sounded alright. So we'll go over to our base station now. I'll do a test with that mic and then we'll plug in a standard replacement.
Tango 21 testing the customer's Amstrad CB900 from 1981 on the factory original Action Man type microphone. We're now doing tests with a standard replacement. Testing with a